So hi everyone, I'm Joy and today we are going to see one CRC example. Right now this is the data that we want to send and this is the key. Now the value of the key is known to both sender and receiver. Now the sender will perform the CRC and it will send the data to the receiver. So let's see how the CRC is performed. CRC is performed using the binary division. So in the first step, whenever sender is sending any data, in the first step, the sender will add some extra data to the original data. So right now this is our original data which is to be sent is 1 0 0 1 0. The sender will add some extra data to the original data. So it will add some extra data to the original data. The added extra data is always 0 and the number of 0 will be 1 less than the number of bits of key. So number of bits in the key are 4. So the sender will add 30 in the original data. After that, the sender will perform the binary division using the key. So if we multiply this number with 1, we will get 1101. Now let's perform the XOR. So 0 1 0 0. This 0 will be borrowed. Now you have to see the last 4 bit. In the last 4 bit, if the MSB is 1, we will multiply this number with 1. So let's multiply with 1. We will get 1 1 0 1. So again 0 1 0 1 and this 0 will be borrowed. Again in the last 4 bits, the MSB in the last 4 bit is 1, so we'll multiply with 1, so we'll get 1 1 0 1. So 0 1 1 1 and this 0 will be borrowed. Again in the last 4 bit the MSB is 1, so we'll multiply with 1, so 1 1 0 1. So that is 0 0 1 1 and this 0 will be here. Okay, so you can see that again in the last 4 bit, after 0 is borrowed, now in the last 4 bit the MSB is 0, so we multiply with 0, we will get 0 0 0 0 and we will get 1 1 0. So now this value is known as the CRC and we will append this number to the original data. The original data is 1 1 0, sorry, the original data is 1 0 0 1 0. We will add the CRC 1 1 0 and this total data will be sent to the receiver. The receiver will perform this same method by using the key. Okay, so receiver will not add any 0 or anything else, it will not add anything, but it will perform simple binary division using this number. Okay, so the receiver will perform this binary division, and after performing the binary division, if in the remainder all the zeros, the receiver is getting all the zeros, it means no error, or there will be error. If we are getting any number which is non-zero, then it is error. Okay, so this is how it is done.